Hi guys, now if your Claude AI is returning this error, Claude will return soon, then in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process to fix this error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are experiencing this problem, then most likely it's because Claude is experiencing a temporary service discussion and it is just being worked on. And this is more especially if there is a configuration error or a server overload. So to fix this, there are quite a number of steps. First, you just need to give this between 1 to 3 minutes. Come and see. If you click on try again, you will be able to log into your Claude account. So in most cases, this should be solved in less than 5 minutes of trying. It should be up and running if the issue was just due to server overload. However, if that does not solve the problem and you have tried again and again, then you want to proceed and try another method, and that is to go to new chat here and begin a new chat. This is more especially if you experience this problem while you were on a thread or a previous chat. So just proceed and tap on a new chat and see if you get a whole new chat without the error. However, if this does not fix the problem, then you might want to try and clear your Claude AI history to fix this. For that, you need to go to your browser and go to these three lines here. For my case, I'm on Chrome, so I'll go to settings, and here it is, and under settings go to privacy and security, then choose delete browsing data. Here you can choose the data to delete. You can either choose to delete data for last 15 minutes, last hour, or even last 24 hours, or even last 7 or more. You can customize if you want for the whole lifetime, and you can confirm this by just clicking on delete here. Once you have deleted, now go ahead, log into your Claude account, and now your app should be up and running without any issue. So if you have tried all these but nothing worked out, then it means that the issue is taking longer than it was expected. Try opening or logging into your Claude using a different browser, or just give it more time and try logging in later. So by using any of these methods, now you should be able to use your Claude account without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.